Hey everyone, it's me Saxon again. I got something a little special for you. Honda just dropped this new Trail 125 bike in the US and I'm absolutely in love with it. Before we get into that though, I know a lot of you have wanted me to get a video going for the Yamaha Adventure Pro GPS. I'm making it a little bit better, a little longer, a little more in depth with like how to use it and like features. So look out for that. It's coming up soon. Back to this though, the Honda Trail 125 is a really cool little bike that they just came out with. Kind of unexpected. This is, in my opinion, the coolest bike in their Mini Moto series. It's really got that throwback design like nailed. Big rack, nice big wire wheels. It's just perfect. Let's take a little bit closer look at this, kind of do a little walk around, see everything on here. There's a lot going on actually for such a small bike. All right, let's look. All right, here we go. The new Trail 125. There's a lot of stuff I like about this bike. One of the nicest little details are these little rivets on the metal fender. Painted over like they would have been in the old bikes. Some nice things you got on here. Anti-lock brakes. Disc brake. Of course, those spoked wheels definitely contribute to a more off-road feel. This is a very similar motor to the Grom, the Monkey, a little 125 cc motor, but Honda says they've tuned this one a little bit more for low-end torque. Something that I definitely did notice whenever I did test ride on this thing. You'll probably also notice right here a Kickstarter. That's something that is very retro and pretty cool. A lot of people are going to be happy to see that on here, along with this high pipe with a really nice metal finish on the heat shield there. I like that. Do have a little skid plate down here. And something a lot of people would like to see as well, center stand. That's cool. Not a lot of bikes come with a center stand. Matter of fact, in this whole showroom, there's probably only one bike with a center stand, and it's right here. Around the back, pretty nice tail light. It's all LED. I'll show you that in a minute. Same for the turn signals. Hardly even needs a tail tidy or anything like that. Disc in the rear. Twin shocks. Something interesting I noticed is they aren't adjustable for preload on there. Large rack. I mean, it's really big. It's metal. Has a few mounting points for something here. Tie down points. Right below the rack is a little toolkit right here. Probably a few little things in there, spark plug wrench, something like that. Chain adjusters, spoked wheel. There's a key slot right here below the retro looking intake here. Pop that. Brings up the seat. And you can see the fuel here. And a little Allen key right there. That is so you can get into the toolkit. And I believe that's a helmet lock right there. It's got a heel toe shifter. Side stand. So unlike the Super Cub, you don't have to use the center stand. And of course it's fuel injection. There's that little 125 motor again. Up on the handlebars here, got the mirrors. Very simple switch gear. High-low, turn signal. Not that you need a lot of stuff on this bike. Kill switch, start switch. No clutch. This is a semi-auto 4-speed transmission. Key slot right there for the ignition. It's got a steering lock on there. And then regular ignition there. Check out that boot animation one more time. Pretty cool. They gave you a little fuel gauge on here, which is nice. You'd never see that on an old bike. Anti-lock brake system, indicator, fuel injection, like a engine trouble code for the EFI, neutral switch. It has 1 mile on it from the test drive when we set this up. This bike is pre-sold, so can't really ride it around or anything. Fire it up. LED headlights. Pretty cool. The tail light, also LED, along with the license plate light. And the turn signals are LED also. Really nice. I know somebody is going to mention that they omitted the dual range capability of the old bike, but nowadays with the 125 motor and the fuel injection, I don't really think it's necessary. You just got so much more power than the old one. See if we can get a little exhaust sound here.